Hey guys, Jerry from Showtime Audio. Just wanted to show you our latest project. This is a 2023 Corvette Z06. So beautiful, convertible, custom interior with the red and all the stitching, carbon fiber. I mean, this car is beautiful. So we will be installing a AL priority laser defense system. So it'll be 3 heads front, 3 heads rear. 2 RX up front with a TX, 2 RX in the rear with a TX, so that we get the best possible coverage. All right, so this is what we'll be installing in the vehicle. So these are the regular RX sensors. So there's actually 4 of these. 2 of these will be in the front of the vehicle, 2 of these will be in the rear of the vehicle, and then these are the new TX blacks. So this one will be the center sensor. If I can open the bag. And so you will have one of these on either side, and then you will have this in the center. So this gives you the most amount of coverage. No other system other than ALP currently has a TX sensor. So this is a strictly transmitting sensor. There's 3 diodes in here. So in essence, when it goes off, you have the most possible coverage on the back end of a vehicle. And then also this is the GPS antenna, which is used to help with the TX sensors. The speaker, the control unit. So this is their hi-fi. So this has the built-in speaker, which is this right here, and then the better controller. And then this is another one of the TX sensor blacks. So this is one, this is the other. Stay tuned and we'll show you more of this in the vehicle.